Hello, lovely people. I am Malika. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing amazing out there. So before we move on to this video, मैं request करूँगी कि आप मेरे channel को please subscribe कर दो. That would mean the absolute freaking world to me. तो आज we are going to talk about some viral products which are affordable and has become really viral throughout the internet. तो हम उस सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे और जानेंगे क्या ये एक्चुअली वायरल होने के लायक है या नहीं. सो लेट्स बिगिन विदाउट एनी मोर फर्दर अडू. तो फर्स्ट अप मेरे पास है ये विश केयर हेयर ग्रोथ सीरम. अब मैंने काफ़ियों को ये कहते हुए सुना है कि ये सीरम यूज़ करते ही उनके न्यू हेयर ग्रोथ आ गए और ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. और मतलब ये तो पूरा इंटरनेट, पूरा इंस्टाग्राम, पूरा यूट्यूब, सब जगह मैंने इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में सुन लिया. एंड ऑफ कोर्स हम सारे लड़कियों को, आई मीन मैक्सिमम लड़कियों को तो ये हेयर फॉल इशू का प्रॉब्लम है. सो मुझे लगा क्यों ना एक ट्राई ही किया जाए. सो आई गॉट दिस प्रोडक्ट विथ माई ओन मनी एंड अपेरेंटली आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड. मैं नहीं बोलूँगी कि ये प्रोडक्ट मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा काम किया और ये तो एक वन ऑफ अ काइंड प्रोडक्ट है. और इससे अच्छा मेरे लिए काम किया है ऑर्डिनरी का हेयर ग्रोथ सीरम. मेरे पास अभी वो प्रोडक्ट फिलहाल नहीं है, मैं इधर पिक्चर अटैच कर दूंगी आप लोगों के रेफरेंस के लिए. इट इज़ एन अमेजिंग सीरम और वो एक्चुअली मेरा हेयर फॉल रिड्यूस किया है. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, नया हेयर ग्रोथ लाने में भी उसने मेरा मदद किया है. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट. इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर अ प्रोडक्ट जो आपका न्यू हेयर ग्रोथ में मदद करेगा, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू चेक दिस आउट. दिस इज़ एन ओवर हाइप प्रोडक्ट. मैंने इस प्रोडक्ट को पूरा 4-5 months consistently try kiya and still I did not see any such results. So it's a meh from my side. Next up we have this product which is the Dermaco 15% plus 1% AHA BHA acid. Now apparently I am into acids and I've been loving acids lately. I will not say or I will not recommend it for girlies who do not have any such acne or scarring or hyperpigmentation issues. This is not for you guys. You can just skip this part. So for people who have problematic skin, जिनके problematic skin actual में है, इसने actually मेरा स्किन का एक्ने रिमूव करने में हेल्प किया है. और लाइक आई डिड नॉट गेट एक्ने आफ्टर दैट. इसने मेरा हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन एरियाज में भी वर्क किया है. इनफैक्ट ये मेरा एक्ने स्कार्स, पिंपल स्कार्स सब कुछ रिमूव किया है. सो अपेरेंटली आई फील दिस इज एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट आउट देयर फॉर गर्लीज हु हैव एक्ने और पिंपल इशूज और हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन areas in your skin. I think it's an amazing product for those guys, but please skip or do. I personally do not recommend it for people who are under the age of 22, 23. Do not use this product. Stay away from this product. You have to go to a very good dermat and then show your skin, because I'm no dermat, and for me this product has actually done magic. It was magic in a bottle. It's such a beautiful product. Now next up we have this super amazing product called this Foxtail deleted items. Now I have seen a lot of people talk about this product, and truly speaking I have quite a neutral opinion on this product particularly, because मुझे नहीं लगता ये product बहुत ज़्यादा काम करता है या कुछ. but maybe if I use it consistently, or maybe if I give it some more time, it might work or I might actually end up liking it. Now I've been using this product for 2 months and I haven't seen any major difference. So I have a very neutral opinion on this product. It's a viral product, I know, and actually this is the first time I've been using Foxtail, and I pretty much like this product, but not like very like I don't like it a lot. Okay, so it's basically like it's neutral for me, this one. Next up I have this Glam Veda rice and ceramide face mask, peel off face mask. Now I really love using peel off face mask. मुझे नहीं पता किसको पसंद है किसको नहीं पसंद है, but I personally love using peel off face mask. पील ऑफ फेस मास्क को रिमूव करते वक्त एक अलग ही सेटिस्फैक्शन मुझे मिलता है जो मुझे कोई और स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं दे सकता है. So apparently I have seen a lot of YouTube as well as Instagram videos on this Glam Veda skincare rice and ceramide glass skin peel off mask, which gives you brightening and vitalizing. And this costs somewhere around, okay, it's 300 rupees, I'm sorry, it's 300 rupees. So it's absolutely very very affordable, as well as ye I've heard it's a Korean inspired Indian brand. So I was quite excited to try this product and I ordered this product from my own money. And let me tell you, it was such a bummer. ये बिल्कुल ही बेकार प्रोडक्ट है. हाँ, सेटिस्फैक्शन आपको मिल सकता है ज़रूर एक पील ऑफ मास्क का, बट ये मास्क आई डोंट लाइक इट एट ऑल. मुझे ये बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आया है. सो यू कैन skip it, because I mean I don't want you guys to, you know, waste your hard earned money on something so meh, right? ये प्रोडक्ट एक बमर है, प्लीज इसको मत खरीदो. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव दिस Chemist at Play HA body lotion. Now I have seen so many Instagram advertisement on this product that I ended up buying the duo from Chemist at Play. So it was the HA body lotion as well as the body wash. Okay, I have the duo. Now the body wash is in my washroom and I'm too lazy to go and pick it up from there. So apparently I was using the duo for 8 months. Yeah, for good 8 months. The quantity is actually a lot and it's a good lotion, I would say, but I actually got my hands on this to get rid of strawberry legs, because I have strawberry legs and I am kinda, if you don't know what strawberry legs are, I'll attach a picture over here. So yeah, so I kind of wanted to get rid of them, and I saw so many advertisement that this actually helps and whatnot, and it helps with rough and bumpy skin, it gives a very smooth skin. Now smell wise, I'll say it doesn't smell good. I actually don't like the smell of the body wash either. The body wash has a very weird smell, very very weird smell, and even the texture is kind of weird, which I do not prefer or which I do not like, honestly speaking. And apart from that, I think this is a good moisturizing lotion, that's it. And it did not do anything to my strawberry legs. So apparently it's a nay from my side, because that was the main USP, right? I mean, why did I buy the product? I bought this product because I wanted to get rid of my strawberry legs, not because of its moisturizing properties, right? I would have got any random body lotion and I think that would do the same to me. So why would I spend my money and get Chemist at Play? More money, in fact, and get Chemist at Play. I'll give the prices, so don't have to worry about that. And I don't think you should get your hands on this if you want something like a moisturizing product, a moisturizing lotion. I think there are plenty beautiful such products in the market. Go get your hands on them. Why would you get Chemist at Play when their main USP is to get rid of rough bumpy skin or strawberry legs or strawberry skin? So yeah, I kind of did not like this product and I don't recommend it to anyone. We have this amazing what is this, moisturizer. Now apparently I do not have the dabba right now, so I'm going to attach the picture that I've used it and not just, you know, not just reviewing it because I want to review it. So I have seen these Dot & Key moisturizers and I really wanted to try one of them because I've never given it a try, and it just looks, the packaging basically looks, I'm just making these hand movements to show how the product looks because I don't have it handy right now with me. And apparently I just wanted to get one of them, try one of them to see the texture. And I've heard a lot of good reviews on it, and I've tried the hyaluronic acid one and I really love that one. So I thought, why not give it a try for the vitamin C one. So I got my hands on this one, but apparently it is kind of, I'm very neutral about this moisturizer. I did not love it or I did not hate it too. I really like this texture because the texture is very much like the hyaluronic acid one. Yeah, so apparently I just had to go and get my Nykaa parcel. And yeah, so I kind of do not like this moisturizer that much. Yeah, it's hydrating, it's nice, but not as good as the hyaluronic acid one. Next up, we have this Moha sunscreen. I have already reviewed this sunscreen in my previous videos. You can watch the full review if you want. I would link it down below. But just a short one-liner review that it's such a hype product, that it's a very nice very nice body sunscreen, and it is an Indian homegrown brand, right? So I really wanted to try this product out, and apparently I ended up hating this product. I have this full bottle of product which was something around 7 to 800. I'm not very sure of the price, so which I'm going to put it on the screen somewhere, and I hated it. It's such a greasy, oily sunscreen, makes your skin look dark, okay, and it's so greasy, feels like it's going to clog all my pores, and apparently I just hate it so much. Next up, I have this Wishcare body lotion. Again, I don't have the pack, I don't have the bottle right now. I'm going to insert a video screenshot somewhere here, a video snap. Apparently I really like this body lotion. It's very moisturizing, as well as I love the blueberry smell. I really love this Wishcare body lotion. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing, and it does a lot of exfoliation, a good exfoliation to your skin, which I like. It makes my skin feel very soft and very nice. Basically it actually helps in reducing tan also, not a lot, but yeah, it does. So it basically does what it claims, and therefore I do like this product. So a thumbs up from my side. And that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed my mini reviews and the most viral products out in the market. I tried getting my hands on most of them and reviewing it for you guys. If you all like watching such videos, then do drop it in my comments. I would love to hear from you guys, and also let me know what other products I should try for you guys, and I would love to review them as well. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Till then, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and you all know the drill. Bye.